Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring antique recipes out of the past and back into the kitchen. Today we'll be sharing with you a 1920s recipe for toffee apples coated with sticky black treacle toffee. We found this recipe in our copy of Best Ways Cookery gift book, which was published in 1928. These are real old-fashioned toffee apples, thickly coated with bonfire toffee, so you must mind your teeth on them. And to make them, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 pound or 454 grams of small eating apples, the same weight in treacle, the same weight in demerara sugar, and 4 ounces, that's 113 grams of butter. We begin by making a treacle toffee out of the butter, sugar and treacle. Start by melting the butter over a low heat in a medium-sized saucepan. Then pour in the demerara sugar and the treacle. This old-style treacle toffee is known by many names, including bonfire toffee, plot toffee, and tom trot. Years ago, it was common for people to make treacle toffee at Hallowe'en or Bonfire Night, a tradition that might have gone as far back as the 1600s, and in some areas at Christmas time as well. It would be made in a large block with bits broken off using a toffee hammer. This is exactly how we're going to use our leftover toffee. So increase the heat to medium-high and stir this all together for about 15 minutes when the sugar granules will have dissolved. If you have a sugar thermometer handy, it will need to reach a temperature of around 150 degrees Celsius when it will reach hard crack stage. As it heats up, the mixture does bubble and rise, so make sure that you use a saucepan that leaves plenty of room for this. To test that the toffee is ready, drop a tiny little bit in some icy cold water. If it immediately becomes hard and brittle, it's done. Set it to one side for about 15 minutes to cool a little in the pan. And while it's cooling, prepare your apples by just wiping them clean and twisting off the stalks. You can use 1 pound of any small eating apples for this, but it's best that they're unwaxed and crunchy. We're using 4 Braeburns. Then take a sharpened piece of wood and stick it through the apple where the stalk was as far as you can go, but not all the way through. Holding onto the stick, dip the apple in the now thickened toffee and twist it until it's evenly coated and any excess is removed. Be incredibly careful not to get the hot toffee on you, as it will burn. Then stand them upright in a jar on a plate to collect drips until they've set completely. So here's a real taste of the past, shining black toffee apples as they came in 1928. The treacle toffee coating is very thick and will remain a bit sticky once set, so be careful, you must watch your teeth on them. But once you break through, there's not much that smells or tastes as magically autumnal as them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave us a like, and if you'd like to see us recreate more antique recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can also find full instructions for this recipe and many more on our website, linked in the description box below.